Hey teachers, it's Melissa here. If you're a teacher who's overwhelmed, burnt out, or just not sure where to start online, this quick video is going to give you the clarity you've been looking for. I'm breaking down the three-phase formula for my 2-hour teacher academy, the exact roadmap that helped me start earning online while still teaching full-time. Let's jump in. Phase 1, foundation and clarity. The first step is to identify your monetizable skills. You already use income-ready skills every day. Lesson planning, curriculum design, behavior management, communication. These translate directly into online offers. I show you exactly how inside the Skills Translator. Step 2, choose your model. We pick one simple path so you don't overwhelm yourself. Teachers pay teachers, done-for-you systems, or creating your own digital products. Choosing your model creates instant focus. Step 3, validate before you create. Instead of creating for weeks and hoping someone buys it, you learn how to test your idea first. So you only build what people already want. This step saves you months of wasted effort. Phase 2, build and launch. Once you're clear on what you're creating, phase 2 is where it all comes together. Step 1, master your 2-hour blocks. You don't need more time, you need a system. I teach you how to use 2 focused hours so you can build your business even on your busiest teaching days. Step 2, create your offer. You'll create a simple, powerful, beginner-friendly offer. No tech overwhelm, no perfectionism, no overthinking. Step 3, get online and ready to sell. We set up the basics. Your delivery system, your checkout, your simple funnel, your email setup, everything you need to take your first payment. Phase 3, grow and scale. This is the fun part. The part so many teachers never reach because they try to start here instead of building towards it. Step 1, make your first sale. That first notification is everything. It's proof that your skills matter and people will pay for them. Step 2, build consistent income systems. You'll learn how to stop posting randomly and start using simple evergreen systems that work even while you're at school all day. Step 3, scale without burnout. You grow your income, not your workload. This is all about sustainability. No hustle, no sacrificing all your time. Freedom, not another job. And that's your quick overview of the 3-phase freedom framework. Foundation and clarity, build and launch, grow and scale. Teachers are some of the most skilled people on the planet. We just haven't been taught how to turn those skills into income. If you're ready to earn online in a simple, sustainable way, the 2-hour Teacher Academy is here to support you. Check out the link in my description to join my free community, Beyond the Classroom, where you'll learn more and get support from a community of teachers just like you. I'll see you in the next video.